In this video, I'm going to share some real-time work we've been doing with the latest version of DEXI OS with April tag detection. Now, this is actually a requirement for this year's AVR Drone Competition. I'll put a link to the competition below. You guys should definitely check it out. I'm flying over the April tag. You'll notice the downward facing camera. We have a 3D printed mount for that. The tag is being detected on the left. You'll notice the image, and on the right, the actual detection information. I'm yawing around just to make sure we still have the detection, and that tag is roughly 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches. So I'm hovering around 3 to 4 feet right here, holding position quite well in position mode, but then I'm going to start gaining altitude, try to find where we lose our detection. I'm hovering, right now around 8 feet. You could see that tag sort of comes in and out of detection. Now I'm at about 9 feet. My garage is 10 feet tall, so I'm kind of up against the ceiling, if you will. But as I come down, you'll see that that detection starts to happen again. This will be a critical component of this year's AVR game. We'll share more in the near future. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And until next time, thanks for watching.